The final race of the season, one man stands on the brink of history. On the beaches of Turkey, Jonny Walker begins his final assaults on the Hard Enduro Grand Slam. At Red Bull Sea to Sky, there's an air of excitement around. The riders and the fans know a battle for an historic feat is about to commence. Jonny Walker's 2015 record stands at 5 wins from 5 races. If he's to win here, he takes the Hard Enduro Grand Slam. A perfect season.
It would be really nice to win the Grand Slam, as I'd be the only person ever to do that, and I think it's an awesome achievement. Over the last 4 years I've said that I wanted to dominate the extreme sports, so if I did win all races, it's kind of what I've done, so I'd be really happy with that.
The first challenge is the beach race. 50 spots are available for the main final. Let's ride on board with Hard Enduro's leading privateer Paul Bolton for his qualifying run.
Red Bull Sea to Sky 2015. Come on, Bolts. Here we go into the deep stuff. Locked! Massive over the bars, always the case. That was the beach race, qualifying.
And Walker is quickest in qualifying. Can he take his 4th beach race victory? But it's one of the oldest men in the race, 41-year-old Andreas Lettenbichler, who takes the whole shot for the 50 minutes plus 1 lap race. But Walker's love of speed quickly sees him jump into second. An error on the first lap drops Walker back. But he quickly recovers to overtake Graham Jarvis. And then leader Lettenbichler. Behind him, Jarvis moves up to second as Letty gets stuck in a tyre. At the front, Walker streaks ahead. But there's still danger all over the track. And as the race enters its final moments, there are some nervous moments for Walker as he gets stuck behind lapped riders. But it won't deny him the win. Beach race victory number 4 for Jonny Walker.
It's good, I was happy with 2 years ago when I won every race, and I want to just win all the races this year, and that's my main goal. So if I can start as I mean to go, and that's what we say at home.
Jarvis and Lettenbichler complete the podium, which means Walker will lead out the field on day 2 for the qualification race, with only 10 spots available on the front row of the grid. Remember, you can watch full extended highlights of the race from October 13th.